In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a simple bookkeeping task list using Asana. We're going to walk through setting up a clean, easy to manage project that keeps all your bookkeeping tasks organized by how often they need to happen. By the end, you'll have a repeatable system you can use every day, week, month, and year. First, log into your Asana account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top left and click on the Create button. From the drop-down that appears, choose Project. Asana will now show you a range of templates for different types of projects. For this setup, we want to start from scratch, so go to the top right and select Blank Project. Give your project a clear, descriptive name, something like Bookkeeping Task List, and set the project access based on who should be able to view or edit it. Then click Continue. Next, Asana will ask you which views you want. For bookkeeping, the most important one is the list view, because it makes it easy to see tasks in a simple spreadsheet-style format. You can uncheck any other recommended views if you don't need them right now, then click Create Project and wait a moment for Asana to build it. Now let's structure your project by frequency. In your new list, you'll create sections that group tasks by how often you need to do them. Start with a section for daily or weekly tasks. These are your regular routines, like categorizing transactions or reviewing invoices. Then create a monthly section for bigger tasks, such as reconciling statements or pulling financial reports. Finally, add a quarterly or yearly section for things like tax prep and compliance tasks. If you ever need more sections, just scroll to the bottom of your current sections and click Add Section to create another one. With your sections in place, it's time to populate them with specific bookkeeping tasks. Under daily or weekly, add tasks like record sales, upload receipts, check incoming payments, track expenses, review unpaid invoices, match bank transactions, check cash flow, and follow up on overdue payments. Under monthly, add tasks such as reconcile bank account, review profit and loss, prepare payroll, pay subscriptions, and backup financial records. Under yearly, you might add prepare annual reports, send tax documents to your accountant, review yearly profit, and renew licenses. To add a new task row at any time, just click Add Task at the bottom of the task list in that section. Once your tasks are in place, start adding due dates so you can actually schedule your work. If you don't see a due date column yet, go to the far right side of your column headers and click the plus icon. From the menu that appears, choose Due Date. Now, for each task, click the cell under Due Date. A small calendar will appear. Pick the date that makes sense for that task. To really take advantage of Asana for bookkeeping, use recurring tasks. Recurring due dates save you a lot of time because you only have to set them up once. Click on a task to open its detail panel on the right. In that panel, click on the due date. When the calendar opens, look at the bottom left for the option to set the task to repeat. Click that, then choose how often it should recur. Daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, periodically, or set a custom pattern. Adjust any additional settings based on your needs, such as repeating on a specific day of the month. In that same panel, you can also add a detailed description for the task, explaining exactly what needs to be done each time it comes up. This is especially helpful if you're collaborating with others or want to make sure you don't miss any steps. And that's it. You now have a simple but powerful bookkeeping task list in Asana, organized by frequency, fully scheduled with due dates, and automated with recurring tasks so your financial routines stay consistent and under control.